Hi, I'm Engineer Bong from Go Solar Philippines, and I'm here to answer your frequently asked questions regarding solar technology. Yan yung most common misconception sa solar power system. Hindi mahal yung solar power system. It's not an expense, it's an investment. Imagine, after 3 years, libre na yung kuryente mo. Yun yung advantage talaga ng solar power system. Kaya natin kailangan gumamit ng, hindi lang solar, ng other renewable form of energy is because it's clean. Alam naman natin, clean means mapapatagal pa natin yung kagandahan ng environment, and most especially, this is for the community and for our family, for them to have a brighter future. Nagdedepende yung number ng solar panel na ilalagay natin kung magkano yung bill nyo, or kung wala pa kayong bill, kung nagpapagawa kayo ng bahay, doon sa appliances na gagamitin nyo, and kung gaano katagal nyo gagamitin yung mga appliance nyo. So, nandyan yung ating mga friendly sales advisor para i-assist kayo kung ilan ba talaga yung kailangan ng bahay nyo. Kapag solar, it's very beneficial for our environment. Day in, day out, every year, nandyan yan. It's an unlimited form of energy. So, malaki talaga yung matitipid natin pag solar yung ginamit. So, imagine, less than 3-4 years, mababawi mo na yung binayad mo or yung pinangbayad mo dito sa sistema, ROI mo na siya. And then after that, it's free energy already. So, magagamit mo tong solar system natin for the next 25 years, 30 years. And it's really a free form of energy, diba? Sino ba namang may ayaw magkaroon ng free energy? Araw-araw naman gumagamit tayo ng kuryente. I'm really encouraging everyone to consider na magpakabit ng solar power system. Because number one, it's really financially viable. Sobrang mura na ng solar power system and talagang makakatipid kayo dito. Second is for our environment. And last is for our community, and most especially for our family. If you have any more questions, please feel free to message us and sasagot ang sales advisor team namin sa inyo. Again, we are Go Solar Philippines, brighter future, one roof at a time.